Dreaming of Italian pasta, ancient ruins, and breathtaking coastlines? Let's make that dream a reality by tackling the Italy visa application form, the first step on your unforgettable journey. First, look at the official Italian visa application portal on the Ministry of Foreign Affairs website. Ensure you're on the correct, secure domain to avoid scams. Bookmark this page for easy access. Next, you'll need to create an account or log in if you've applied before. This typically involves providing an email address, creating a secure password, and verifying your email through a confirmation link. Once logged in, carefully select the correct visa category that matches your travel purpose, whether it's tourism, study, or work. Also, ensure you've chosen the correct country where you'll be submitting your application. Now, let's fill out the form. Start with your personal details, making sure they precisely match your passport. This includes your full name, date of birth, nationality, and passport number. Accurately enter your travel dates, your port of entry, and your intended duration of stay in Italy. You'll then be prompted to upload supporting documents. This usually includes a clear copy of your passport biodata page, a recent passport-sized photograph meeting specific requirements, and often flight bookings and accommodation confirmations. Be thorough with sections on your financial means. Prove you have sufficient funds for your trip. Your employment details and a clear explanation of your purpose of visit are also crucial. Honesty and completeness here are paramount for a positive outcome. Before submitting, take a moment to meticulously review every single field. Double-check for any typos or missing information. Once you're confident everything is accurate, proceed to submit your application. After submission, you'll receive a confirmation with a reference number. Keep this safe. You'll likely need it for tracking your application status. Congratulations on completing the online form. You're one step closer to experiencing the magic of Italy.